The year is 2095. Mars declares independence from Earth. And humanity's first interplanetary war begins. It started decades earlier, when the first permanent colony was established. Thousands of people, born on Mars, working on Mars, living their entire lives 225 million kilometers from Earth. But Mars wasn't free. Every resource shipment controlled by Earth. Every water ration approved by Earth corporations. Every breath of oxygen taxed by Earth governments. The Martians built the infrastructure. They mined the resources. They terraformed the soil. But they owned nothing. Everything belonged to Earth. Then came the oxygen crisis of 2093. Earth delayed a critical life support shipment for political reasons. 12 people died. That's when everything changed. Mars cut off resource exports. Earth responded with sanctions. Trade stopped. Communication was restricted. Tensions escalated. Then Mars made the declaration. Independence. Self-governance. No more Earth control. And Earth said no. War in space is nothing like war on Earth. There are no armies marching. No tanks. No aircraft. It's about logistics. About resources. About who controls the supply lines. Earth had numbers. Billions of people. Massive industrial capacity. But Earth had a problem. It takes 7 months to send anything to Mars. And Mars knew it. Mars controlled the asteroid belt mining operations. Mars had fusion reactors. Mars had scientists who knew how to survive with nothing. Earth tried blockades. They sent warships to cut off Mars from the belt. But space is vast. There's no way to patrol it all. Martian ships slipped through. Then Mars started hitting Earth infrastructure. Not on the surface. In orbit. Satellites. Space stations. Communications networks. Suddenly Earth was blind. The war lasted 3 years. Not because of battles. Because Earth realized the cost. Every ship to Mars cost billions. Every soldier sent might never come back. And Mars? Mars was learning to be completely self-sufficient. The Treaty of Olympus Mons. 2098, Earth recognized Martian independence. In exchange, Mars agreed to trade. Not as subjects, but as equals. But here's what changed. Humanity split into 2 species. Earth humans. Mars humans. Different gravity. Different environment. Different evolution. By 2150, a Martian can't even survive on Earth. The gravity would crush them. And Earth humans on Mars? They need constant assistance. We became 2 branches of humanity that can barely coexist. The war didn't just create a new nation. It created a new human species. One that will never set foot on the planet that created it. This is our future. Not unity. Divergence. Humanity spreading across the solar system, splitting into versions that can't even share the same world. The Mars War was just the beginning. What happens when the asteroids want independence? When the Jovian moons rebel? When Titan declares sovereignty? We're not building an interplanetary civilization. We're building an interplanetary conflict. One that started the moment we left Earth. Independence always comes with a cost. For Mars, it was war. For humanity, it was unity.